is Cashin. Welcome back to Math Review. I'm so excited to be here with you all. Before you get started, you need a pencil and some paper. And that's pretty much it. I'm trying a new strategy today where I made up posters, just kind of like what we used to do in class, so it can feel a little bit more like school. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the first one. You have numbers written in one is standard, and you fill out. Okay, let's jump into a couple of answers here. So when I look at this first one, you know, the standard form is just the number that we usually think about numbers. And right now we talk about using different commas to figure out what number we're talking about and to think about place value. So when I look at this number, excuse me, try and say it out loud. See 482 here. I only see one comma, so I know that that one comma means 1,000. So 482,945. So I'm going to write it right here. 482,945. And then expanded form, I can remember pretty easily just looking right here. We're doing the biggest place value plus the next biggest and so on until we get this. So I'm going to just start with this number right here, which is 400,000. Remember, when there's only one comma, that means that you say 1,000 when you see it. Plus, that's in the 10,000s place. 8 tens is 80, so plus 80,000. That's in the thousands place. So 2,000s would be 2,000. That 9 is in the hundreds place, so it's equal to 900. That 4 is in the tens place. 4 tens is 40. Plus 40. And then 5 in the five spot. Now, the next one, we already have in word form. So I'm just going to say it out loud, like I said before. Usually how to think about it. 233,504. Okay, so I know that when I hear the word thousand, I'm going to put my first comma. So 233. I know how to write that number. 233,000. I put that there because I know when I see one comma, I say 1,000. 504. There we have it. 233,504. Now to read it in expanded form, I'm going to start with the biggest place value here. That 2 is in the 100,000s place. So it's going to be 200,000 plus the 3 is in the 10,000s place. 30,000 plus in the thousands place. 3,000 plus 5 is in the hundreds place, so 500. Now I see a 0 in the tens place. I'm going to add a 0 because I know if I add 0 to anything, it is just 0. I'm just going to add a 4. There's nothing in the tens place, so I don't add anything. I'm going to add a 4 because the 4 was in the All right, we got one more. I'm going to read it out loud. 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 7. So when I'm thinking about how I'm going to put in standard form, I'm going to start with the biggest base value. 30,000 is in the 10,000s place. So do I need to start with 100,000? Nope. I'm just going to start with a 3 to match the 30,000. Now I see 30,000 plus 5,000, and I know that altogether that would be 35,000. Notice again, I don't have any number in the 100,000 place. That's fine. I just have one in the 10,000s and one in the thousands. So 35,000, I have 400 plus 60 plus 7. So I'm going to put a 4 in the hundreds place. And then in the tens place, I'm going to put a 6 to represent 60. And then in the ones place, I'm going to put a 7. All right, so now let's write it up in number form. Or I'm sorry, letter form. 35,000. Now remember, I know that I say 1,000 because there's one comma right there. And I only have 35,000s. I don't have anything in the 100,000. 467. 35,467. All right, cool. Give me a second to adjust. I'm going to up a little bit. Okay, let's read this next problem together and see if we can find the most important words. Sarah has driven 48,321 miles this year. This week, she will drive 1,000 miles on Tuesday, 1,000 miles on Wednesday, and 1,000 miles on Thursday. How many will she drive altogether? So let's start thinking about what the important numbers are here. I know she's already driven 48,321. I need to figure out how many she's driven now that she's added all these other thousands. So I'm going to underline the 1,000 here, 1,000 here, and 1,000 here. Now, there's a couple different ways that I can solve this problem, and we will talk about that in a second. For now, break in and start. All right. So there's a couple different things that we can do to solve this problem. Now, I'm going to start by figuring out the number sentence I'm going to use to solve. I know that I have three parts here, and I need to put them together to figure out a whole. So I could say 48,321 plus 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 3,000 equals blank. Now, that's my number sentence. There are two different ways that I think about this problem. Now, when I started thinking about it, I thought, okay, I can line things up and I can use the algorithm plus 3,000. 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, and then 8 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11. So add a 1, 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1,321. That is a little bit tricky because I just have to regroup right there and it got a little bit confusing. The other way I could do it is to just look at the thousands place value right here and count on. Let's see. I can go 48,321, 49,321. That's when I change only the thousands right here. At 40, before I had 48,000, now I have 49,000, 50,321, and then one more hop to 51,321. Either way, I get my answer, 51,321. But I think that counting on my fingers is honestly a little bit easier than using the algorithm. Now remember, I took that first number in my head, 48,321. I counted up by thousands because that's what the number was changing by. I was adding 3,000. My hundreds didn't change, my tens didn't change, and my ones didn't change. My 10,000s did because I had to cross a decade. 48,321, 49,321, 50,321, 51,321. So it's two different strategies. All right, you have two more problems to solve right here. 554 plus 256, and then 502 minus 167. All right. So we have two different problems right here. A division problem and a subtraction problem. And I part and I figure out get both together. So I'm going to use the algorithm to solve this problem. 554 plus 256. Now, if you use an HTO chart or another strategy to solve this, like splitting, that's okay. I'm using the algorithm because it's the fastest way and it's our problem to solve. Okay. So whenever I use the algorithm, I know I need to start with the ones. 6 plus 4 is 10. Can't fit all 10 in the ones category, so I have to move my 10 over to the 10 category, and then I have 0 left. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. Again, you can't put them all in here, so I'm going to go ahead and add a 1 to the hundreds and a 0 here. I'm so sorry. And then a 1 here. Sorry, Miss Ashton. Let's fix that. And then 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. So my answer is 810. Started with the ones, and the tens, and did the hundreds. When I couldn't fit everything in one category, I regrouped. This one is a subtraction problem. 502 minus 167. So when I look at this problem, I'm like, oh my gosh, I 10 more, but I can't because there's nothing to take from here. I have to go all the way to the hundreds and take away 100. So now there are 400 hundreds left and 10 tens instead of 0 tens. Am I done? No, I still don't have anything over here that I can subtract 7 from. So I have to take away one of those tens, which leaves me 9 instead of 10, and then move a 10 over to the ones column. Can I do 12 minus 7? Yes, I can. 12 minus 7 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So my answer is 335. Thanks for watching, friends. Have a great day.